Hello, hello, hello. I have had some internet issues. So while I'm sitting up here, I just want to make sure that I'm having the stream open, that I can see if the frame rate drops at all. It's not midnight, as you might be able to tell. Um, Last night I personal things to do, so I couldn't do the challenge at midnight. I guess I could have done it at midnight now that I think about it, but I didn't. I will also buy a Wi-Fi range extender today. Make sure that my home Wi-Fi is up to speed um, when I'm recording here. For today, I just have a different spot. I think it should be fine. It's not dropping any frames right now. So I think we can give it a test here. Let me just very quickly repair my window. I did some FFmpeg yesterday, which was fun. I recorded and uploaded a YouTube video, and I spliced together the different sections with FFmpeg. Took like 10 different attempts, which was a pain in the backside because of how big these files were. And every time it took like 20 minutes to do, but that's fine. It worked out in the end. I just deleted all of the source material because the video is now uploaded. Okay, so let's double, triple check if I'm on the right project here. Hello, hello. I think I am. And I don't have too much time. I only got about 17 minutes until I have to run because the cleaning person will come today. And I think that should be enough. I mean, let's see how difficult this one seems to be. Hmm. Wow, this is fascinating. I guess we'd split it by two new lines here. I've seen a couple of videos of people doing Advent of Code, and most of them don't write full parsers, and they just modify their input with editor magic. Wait, I should 100% add OBS to my exceptions to send me notifications, but anyway, not right now. So we have lmap, r. Well, I'm not going to do int. I'm going to do process line. There's not a lot of time rush today, because I'm already late anyway. Our split lines, let's remove the first one here. And now we should have the full input. Yeah, this is looking good. So I actually think we should figure out an even better way to process all of these lines. So of course, starting item line equal if comma inline return map int line split by comma space. So this is now fully processed. Oopsie daisy. Okay. Then the next one is new and old and stuff. Hmm. How do we write a method that does an operation? I guess we could do an eval. How does eval work in Python? It's like an escape hatch. It's very ugly and you should never use it. But for example, what if we say new equals 1, old equals 2, and then we eval new plus old? Does actually work. So maybe can we write a method that's like lambda new old? No, actually lambda old because new is always just a return value. And then we do eval of old plus 2. And then we call fn with 7 should return 8. That's amazing. I love Python sometimes. If new inline return lambda old eval line split equals 1 1. Let's see what this gives us. Of course, a lambda function. But let's actually call the very first one times 11. So let's call the first method with parameter 6. Should give us 66. Yeah, man, this is really cool. Okay. Test divisible by, okay, so we just remove by if divisible, oops, yeah, this is also not correct. Divisible inline return int of line split by 1. So we got 13. Great. And now I just return last integer split space last one. Okay. Amazing. So now they perform all of this stuff. After each monkey inspects an item, but before it tests your worry, what the heck is a worry level? List your worry levels for each item. Oh, okay, okay. Can I just replace worry level with like value? Yeah. Test shows the monkey uses your value to decide. Okay. After each monkey inspects an element, but before it tests your value, your relief that the monkey's inspection didn't damage the item causes your value to be divided by 3. Okay. When a monkey throws an item to another monkey, the item goes on the end of the list. Cool. Using all of the monkeys at once is impossible. You're going to have to focus on the two most active monkeys. Okay. So on every inspection, we increase something by 1. For monkey and T, monkey append worry level. What is the end condition? Over just 20 rounds, okay. Or underscore in range 20. Or I in range len monkey. T. Monkey equals ti. If monkey 0 continue, item equals monkey 0 0, monkey 0 equals monkey 0 1, item equals monkey 1, item equals item divided by 3. If item monkey monkey 5 plus equals 1, print. Okay, levels, no, counters equals lmap lambda m to m5 t counters sort print counters -1 times counters -2. Well, what? But 0 is the split, no? Zero should not be a number. Print monkey. How is this 52? Doesn't make any damn sense. Oh, maybe one is just starting with one item. Yeah. Yeah. If inline, return this, otherwise return empty integer. Does any monkey start with no items? No. Okay. Turn int offline. Does work now? The throw part? Oh, okay, okay. I'm removing the everything before the colon, so this is actually going to be correct. Okay, so we want to test this. um, with the example input here. We actually don't even have to remove the spaces at the start because our parser is so amazing. Oh, this is worrying. Yeah. Hmm. Interesting. Well, I should definitely remove the 10 example because that's not going to help things. How about we print the counters for 2020? Is 5 actually the correct value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 will be 0 at the start because I appended 0 to it. For monkey. Do I need I anywhere? No. So let's just do for monkey in T. So why monkey take turns inspecting and throwing items. On a single monkey's turn, it inspects and throws all of the items it is holding. Jesus. Okay. So that explains it. Let's turn this into a while true and indent all of this. 1065 is indeed the correct value. Okay. So now we say text string equals empty and we solve it. Nice. How long did this take? Nobody knows. I have to leave in about 10 seconds. What about the second part of it? Uh, yes, yes, yes. Override. Fresh. You're worried you might not ever get to your items back, so worried in fact that you're relieved that the monkey's perfection no longer causes your word divided by 3. That relief was all keeping your word levels from reaching a ridiculous level. You need to find another way to keep your word levels manageable. This rate you need for a very long time, possibly 10,000 rounds. This new rules you can figure out the monkey business after using the sim. Okay. I personally don't think that our code is so inefficient that this doesn't work. So let's just try. And don't divide it by 3 this time. This is not gonna be running forever. It's gonna run for a while, but not forever, right? 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 Damn it. Okay, it's gonna run forever. Ah. And here we also have to do this. It's, I don't know, 10,000 loops doesn't seem too crazy to me. 10,000 times 10 monkeys times 20 items. Um, Maybe just let this run. I mean, we have 7 monkeys. We have 56, 57, 63 items. So it's 63 times 7 times 10,000. That's only 4 million. 4 million operations. I think maybe the eval is the issue. Maybe this is trying to get us to not use eval anymore. What if I just say 2 times old? Whoops. Yeah, okay. So we have to turn the eval into something that's not an eval anymore. Create lambda def create lambda or return lambda I plus 1 print slime. So we have either old times old, if line, if old times old inline, return lambda I times I. If old plus, I guess we can also do the same for, I don't even think this ever appears, but if old plus inline, return old split -1 int. And then we also have the same for times. And I think that these are all the options, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we get. That doesn't seem right. I mean, maybe it seems right, actually. 117640. Was that my answer? 117640. Yeah, okay. So we officially eliminated eval. It does appear that it is still taking ages. I mean, look, you're doing like 4 million ifs and 4 million like modulo operators and stuff. This can take so long, right? Let's give it like a minute. I guess we could print the number to see where we're at. This is taking ages. That's not good. Is it just because the numbers get so big? Like, we should find all the prime numbers. I guess these are all the prime numbers, huh? Wait. I think if we just item modulo equals like the product, and then the product equals prod of lmap monkey lambda monkey 2 monkey 3 2. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Yes. Okay. So what magic it would just pull off. The number gets humongous, like into the billions, and doing these operations with numbers in the billions isn't super easy. Oh wait, it actually gets like way bigger than billions. This is just the power, like this is just a counter of how many operations we've done. It probably gets like, I don't know, hundreds of digits long, I would assume. Otherwise, this stuff wouldn't take so long. But since we're only really concerned about the divisibility of it, we can just multiply all these numbers together. This gives us a factor of like the maximum number that we care about, and everything that's bigger than it, we can just run modulo for it, which is the remainder of dividing, which we previously established. Okay, I'm about 8 minutes late, and I gotta run. But this was a fun one. I like this a lot. Let's remove this and remove this. And remove this. Oops. Where else do I have a print? There's one too many prints. Ah, this one. Cool. Uh, at day 11. Well, I will check the timestamps of this later to see what rank I would have gotten. Probably nothing crazy because it took me like 30 minutes, but I like this. This was fun. Okay. I'll see you tonight. Bye bye.